So, unexpected bonus flight of the day, having arrived at Newhall Mains today, is that we're doing a short flight, myself and Euan, who's based here. We're doing a short flight to a place called Dornoch. It's like a 9-minute flight, 10-minute flight, but hopefully a bit longer than that in reality, for dinner and then back. That'll be a first, flying out for dinner and flying back. But apparently he's done it before. I'm very much looking forward to it. Let's see how it goes. So this is Euan in his Mooney 201. I didn't catch your name, I'm afraid.
Tony.
Tony.
And you are?
Charlie.
Charlie. Nice to meet you.
And your friend is?
And that's Ken.
Ken. So Euan and I have picked up these two waifs and strays.
Exactly, drunkards. Yeah.
And we're flying to Dornoch, which is just not far across the water over there, right? It's that way, isn't it? Gear up and he's away.
Yep.
Nice. Off before the road.
Yeah. Quite an acceleration on this.
Wow, look at that. Stunning.
Beautiful, isn't it?
So yeah, quick short hop over from Newhall Mains to Dornoch
Yeah.
for dinner. 200, I'm 7 miles behind you.
Okay, roger that. We're just descending the dead side of the north.
Look at that. Breathtaking scenery.
It's incredible, isn't it? I mean, that's the beauty of staying here, you know. You can fly back whatever time you want.
Yeah.
If we were at home, we'd have to be back by 7.
On a traffic Golf, Oscar Bravo Alpha Lima, crosswind to 10.
So our runway is somewhere down there on that bit of land sticking out to sea.
Yeah. See him.
Yeah, I can see him. He's just on final from 10. Nearly came off then. Had a wobble. Definitely worth a flight. That is lovely. So we had dinner. That's Euan's last mile transport.
It's not as cool as a wheel. It takes some ingenuity.
Well, yeah, the one thing about this is you can actually carry luggage on it, as you saw me do earlier.
Whereas this doesn't even unfold. I'm not getting Brompton. A good service here.
They've been around a long time, actually, haven't they? They were the first ones to make really good quality.
I think they're the first ones, and then all the designs were copied by like Chinese firms.
Yeah.
I got an electric one as well, which is good.
All your chains come off. Old tech. Things to work off that lovely dinner.
How was it?
Oh yeah, it's good. Oh, this is just stunning. It really is. What a way to get back from dinner as well. Well, this is a very cool first. Flying to dinner and back. Well done, Rosie.
Lovely. We're away. We're away.
Hey Charlie, where you at?
3 miles out, or sort of right base for runway 26.
Roger, you gonna take 26?
Unless you think I should change. The wind's 11 knots from 07. No, quite right. That's really bad. Let's go approach, big approach.
Should do a crosswind then and then go downwind for possibly.
Yeah. I'll do downwind for 08.
Roger, downwind for 08.
Your plane looks small from here.
Yeah, it does, yes.
Those oil rigs, amazing.
Yeah.
20 degrees flaps. Left base runway 08, 200. So I'm expecting a little bounce before the road. I'm going to need to backtrack.
Well done. Nice one.
Thank you, yeah. I deliberately was on the left hand side to avoid that big, that bump is bigger on the other side of the runway. Yeah, I'll be off the runway before you're on final.
Roger, we're just coming to the bottom of downwind.
Yeah, gotcha. God, I'm shocked and embarrassed to admit the mistake that I hadn't thought about the wind direction changing. Don't worry about it. No, I really am. It's like...
Back from dinner at Dornoch, which is over there. In the distance, you can see the lights and the sea through across there. Dornoch Castle Hotel for dinner, which was lovely, but not happy with my flight back. A few silly mistakes, very annoying. More later. I've just seen the first cut of that video of me flying from Newhall Mains to Dornoch for dinner and back, and I just wanted to add at the end that. That could have been a potentially really dangerous mistake I made, where if it hadn't have been for Euan on the radio questioning my decision to land on runway 26 instead of runway 08, which was into wind, I may well have gone and landed on runway 26 and done a downwind landing on a short grass runway, which could have ended badly. And it really stuck me for a while, that mistake. And I've been thinking about a lot what went wrong. I left in a hurry. I've never done any formation flying, and that wasn't a formation flight, but it was the first time I've gone flying with someone else. So we're both departing and arriving at the same airfields in close proximity, a few miles apart. But and I just felt a bit of bit of pressure because I hadn't done that before, and I didn't spend as much time. The thing I didn't do is I didn't brief my approach in my head. I didn't brief my own approach. I didn't run through my all flights checklist, which I should have done. So there we are, cards on the table. Got away with it that time, got lucky. But actually, some mistakes are like, okay, that was a silly mistake, but it wasn't dangerous. That could have been a potentially very dangerous mistake. Not happy about it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you want to watch more of these videos. Bye-bye.